Hello learners, welcome to the second lecture of our Revit series. Previously in the introductory sessions, we have seen the basic fundamentals and the theory part of what is BIM, that is Building Information Modeling. From this lecture onwards, we will just deep dive into the vast world of Revit. We will be actually having a closer look on how Revit works, its functionality, and a lot more stuffs. So let's get started. For this series particularly, I will be using the 2022 Revit version. You can prefer any version of your choice based on your system requirements. Okay. So this is what the interface looks when I run the Revit application. So basically, this is the home page or like the start page of the Revit application. Here we have a few of these stuffs like the up here it shows the Revit version, and when you save the file, it reflects the name over here. Here it gives you the Autodesk ID. Okay, and if you are using a trial version or a licensed version, it will reflect here. Then coming over here, we have a model section and families section. We can open any of the existing Revit model from here. When you just left click, it takes us to a file location, or we can browse the file location wherein you have kept the previously saved Revit files, or you can create a new one. Similarly, it goes for the families as well. Either you can open the existing families, or you can either create a new one. Okay. Then we have here what means a few stuffs here. Like if there are any new updates into the Revit version, it will be highlighted over here. If you need any help or access the community forum, you can just check this one. Okay. Then coming over here, we have the recent files data here. So though there is another, like as you have seen here, there are two sections here, that is models and the families. This is actually the means it highlights the recent files which we have just worked on. So these are the recent models that are actually system samples from the Revit 2022, and here are the family samples. Okay, here is the home tab. Okay, we'll just take a quick look on any of the sample model and the sample family. Okay, then we have couple of the three types of project, like one is MEP related project, one is architectural project, and another is structural project. So as we are dealing with the architectural part here, we'll just have a look at the sample architectural project. I'll just left click on the sample and it just opens. So taking a look at the 3D, the sample Revit model looks something like this. Don't worry, we'll cover everything into our series. Just this is just for a understanding purpose on like how the basic Revit file looks. Okay, we'll just cover everything starting from this lecture. Every minute details of Revit will be covered. So this is actually how the sample file looks. And as we have seen previously, there are extensions while saving the files. That is, Revit file has .rvt extension while saving, and if there is family, there will be .rfa extension. If you want an example, I can just quickly show you. Just go to File, Save As Project, and you can see here, whenever you are saving a project, the extension would be .rvt. Okay. And similarly, if you have any family project like this one, the extension would be .rfa. Clear? The same stuff goes for template file, that is .rt. And if you just want means like if you just want to go back to the home page from existing files, you can just click over here and you can create either you can open a new model from here, or you can create a new model likewise. Or you want to go back to your Revit canvas, just click the back button. You would be directly shifted into the current file. Okay. So let's get started. Moving ahead, I'll just close these sample models. Now let's see how to create a new Revit model. Okay, so you have to just click on the new button here, and you can see a small information that pops up, like creates a Revit model file, as I hover my mouse on the new button. So I'll just left click here. Small window will pop up highlighting a new project here, and there is a template file which a user need to select. There are few template files that are preloaded, and if not, you can browse any of the required template as per your need. And down here, we have another option like create new, like it's asking us to create either a new project or a new project template. So as we are concerned just with the project file, we will just click on the project, or else if you are creating a user defined template or a custom template, you can just click on the project template. We will cover this template part in the upcoming lectures. For now, just will focus on the project part. Okay, I'll just click on the project, and here are the few templates that I need to select from. As we are dealing with the architectural part, we can either go with the architectural template or the construction template. So I'll just move ahead using the construction template. Okay, as my template is selected and I have checked the create new project icon here, I just move ahead by pressing OK. This is what the Revit canvas looks like, basic user interface of Revit. And up over you can see here, this is the file name, but it's not a saved one. It's a temporary name that Revit assigns when a user creates a basic file. So what we just need to do after creating a project, we need to save it. Just we go to save as project, and you can save the Revit file anywhere as per your requirement. So I just name it as project dash one, and you can see the extension as .rvt. Just save. You can notice the changes up over here. As I have renamed the project file, the same changes are reflected up here as well. And if you want another few templates that needs to be loaded when you create a file, then you can just go here to the file icon, go to the options, and up over here you select the file location. Here are the few templates that means those were visible while starting a new Revit file. These are already loaded into the Revit file. So if you want any other existing template or a custom template to be imported while creating a new Revit model, you can just add over here. If you want to add, click on add. The location would be program data, Autodesk, Revit, your version. I'm using 22, so I'll just go to 22. Then you have to access the templates folder here. Okay, there are many templates as you can see here. So I'm just dealing with India. So there is structural analysis template here. I don't want it currently. So I'll just go with default metric basic. Okay, and just open. So we can see here default metric has been added into the list. I'll just save it by clicking OK. And I'll just go back to the home page, and I will just start a new model. I'll click on new icon, and as you can see in the drop down list, we have I recently added the default metric into the template list that is been shown here as well. Okay. Likewise, if you need any other templates or if you don't need any of these previously existing templates, you can add or remove based on your preferences. Okay. So basically what template is nothing but a predefined setting that helps to act as a base for any of the Revit sample files. We'll cover entire topic on template and template creation in further sessions. No need to worry about it just for now. Just focus on how to create a basic Revit file. Okay. I'll just click OK here, and my second Revit project file is created. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for the upcoming lectures. Thank you.